In this video, I will show you how you can install and play Fortnite on any Samsung tablet. Now to do this, first of all, just go to your home screen. Now recently Fortnite has been added directly to the Google Play Store. Now to download Fortnite, just open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now as you can see, you can download Fortnite directly from the Google Play Store. Just tap on install and you will be able to install Fortnite on your tablet. Now if your country does not have it yet, or if your tablet is running on an older version of Android, then you will not find Fortnite directly on the Google Play Store. Now in that case, just open the Google Play Store, then in the search bar just search this. Just install Epic Game first, and once you install Epic Games, then you will be able to install Fortnite directly from Epic Games. Now if I go to the home screen and if I open the app drawer, as you can see we have successfully installed Fortnite on our tablet. Just like that. And this is how you can install and play Fortnite on any Samsung tablet. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.